They say love is blind. I say love wears welding goggles and ignores the smell of rust. This is my 1970 BMW 2002, or at least it used to be. When I first saw it, it looked less like a car and more like a tragic sculpture made entirely of corrosion. But beneath all that rust, I saw a legend waiting to be reborn. And possibly the world's most expensive mistake. Step 1 of restoration: denial. It's not that bad, I told myself. Step 2, reality. It was in fact very bad. First, the disassembly. Every bolt was seized like it had sworn a blood oath never to be removed. The engine, more oil leaks than a deep-fried napkin. And the interior? Let's just say I found things that should have been reported to the authorities. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Restoring a classic car is like a relationship. At first, it's all excitement and potential. Then you realize just how much work it takes, and you start questioning all your life choices. The frame had more holes than my bank account after ordering parts. The carburetor was basically a metal paperweight. And painting? Let's just say my first attempt looked like I'd let a caffeinated raccoon do it. But little by little, it started coming together. The new engine purred. The fresh paint gleamed. And the seats? Oh, the seats. Reupholstered and ready to cradle my dreams. That sound, that beautiful mechanical symphony. After months of scraped knuckles, late nights, and enough cursing to make a sailor blush, she was alive. At that moment, it wasn't just a car. It was a testament to patience, persistence, and an unreasonable amount of stubbornness. I dreamed about this drive, the way the old-school steering feels, the smell of gasoline and vintage leather, the way the road opens up ahead. Pure magic. She's not just a car. She's a survivor, a storyteller, a rolling piece of history. And now, she's mine. Some people see an old car and think junk, but if you look closer, you might just find something worth saving.